Yo, what's up? We're here at Don's crib.
Yeah. Yung sabihin ko na.
So we have here the Hobbit drop night box, and we're going to open this. Okay, let's stir this up. Stir this up. Past break lang sa information. This contains 12 play boosters, 1 collector, and 90 lands. Yung 90 lands is traditional non-foil and non-borderless. Non-borderless.
Traditional non-foil ba yun?
Yeah.
Kaya pala. Napaka-hard to.
That's wala. So here, so we just unsealed it. Yes. So we're going to open. Tada!
Uy, ang natsura.
Yeah, this is the collector pack, and these are the play boosters. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna select 9. I'm going to shuffle. Shuffle. Good. And look what we have here. We have these 90 lands. So we're gonna keep it sealed, and we have some token. Alright, let's just put it here. So I'm gonna choose 9 packs. Okay, so let's just shuffle this. Shuffle this. Shuffle. And from this 12 packs, we're gonna select 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh. Okay.
Okay,
First line muna.
first 9.
Sige. First
We're gonna save this for last. So this is our first pack. Whew. Bless thy pools. Bless thy pools.
Yes, boy.
Oh, we have an artifact. Giant boulder.
Yes, boulder.
Oops. Oh,
Yun.
yun. Reluctant. You may play additional land this turn. Goblin plate mail. Wood elves. Dwarven short sword.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dory, bearer of friends. And easy partings. Okay, and we have Reach into the Valley. We have Mirkwood Potmaker.
Ang likod na yan.
Common again. Uy, old fat spider can see me. Yeah, another uncommon. Uy, Torin. Uy, naghahanap dito si
Sino?
si Vince.
Ha? Meron akong isa.
Yeah, you have one. Oh, rare. What is this? Eagle.
Kel.
Oh,
okay.
great. Good boat. Okay.
Yung likod.
We have some foil, Wargling.
Ay, almaw.
And,
Oh, ayun. Cute.
we got a full art land.
Oh, labo.
We're done with the first pack. To the second pack. We have Quarrel. Ravenwood. We have Bjorn again.
Bjorn again.
Uy, maganda to. Good Vent Blade. Gundabad Opportunist. Lakeshore Apothecary. And Moment of Glory. Uy, okay din to. Maglalagay ka ng +1/+1 counters.
Yeah.
Smoke's Fury.
Cute.
+3.
Ayan.
Yeah. It's good for the red deck.
Machine of Key.
-5 until the end of the
Nice.
another Verbo Lockware. Definitely we need some luck here. Guard the Bowman.
Pwede na. Pwede na.
Now we have another rare. What is this?
I know that.
Dane's Company.
Pwede na.
Creature Lifelink. And Front Porch Sentries. And a mountain.
Lonely Mountain sana, di ba?
Yeah. Lonely Mountain.
Lonely Mountain.
Let's open the third pack. Third pack. We have Bowside Wanderers. Another Goblin Plate Mail. Guardian of the Halls. Uy, another Magnificent Ends. Fine Prone Strike. Para siyang upgrade. Confused Ticket and Bebother.
Uy, sarap yan.
Yeah. Lake Town Lookouts. Rage into the Valley again. Dalyan Elven King's Butler. Misty Mountains Raider. And Dane Lord of Iron Hills. Uy!
Ano yan?
I think we have a full art there. Rare.
No. Yeah,
Bard's Company.
Cute yan.
Oh. You may cast this spell story in the flash and then features you control get on. At least ano siya, full art. Ward Tactics. And foil yan. We have 4 more to go. 5 pala. We have 5 more to go. This is our 4th pack. Uy, Old Rush. And Guardian of the House again. Bilbo's Deadly Slice. Another removal for the black. Smoke's Fury again. Bilbo. Dwarven Provisioner. Iron Hills Stalwarts. And Gollum the Abandoned. My precious. Uy, Goblin Almighty. This one is good. Another Bolg of the North. Another rare. Gandalf. Si Gandalf to. And the Forest Gate.
Ayan.
Look at the top 20 cards. 1 card. Uy, rare. Rare ulit. Nice. 2 packs. 1 pack. 2 rares.
Actually need that card.
Uy, 0-5. What is this?
That's really weird.
Uy,
let's
this
go
are
around.
Okay.
That's it. That's really good.
Baka maganda to sa mono red.
Yeah. Wait lang. The glare.
The glare is real. We have Enchanted River's Grasp. Aura. Remove all counters from it.
Dapat ba ni-stream natin to?
Pero maganda to. Maganda to. Kasi
Oo,
remove all
abilities
counters.
yan eh.
Abilities. Hindi, maganda na nag-ano siya, remove all counters. Uy, Lake Town.
Hindi ka.
Dual lands. And a treasure token.
Ang ilan na? Fourth?
Fourth.
Ang taas ng gear na. Taas ng gear ng camera.
The Reverent Hall. These are fifth pack.
One more to
Old Thrush again. Lil Bear.
Little bro. Hindi nga mag-mono green bears ha. Sa topper.
Ridings of War. Speaking of which, yung bear na card nag-spike, napasa
Bjorn?
ba yun?
Yung Bjorn na
Hindi
malaki?
yun,
Hindi.
yung bear na sa lumang set.
Ah,
Nag-spike
nice.
dahil sa ano, sa
Dante Bjorn.
dahil kay Bjorn. Another Dwarven Short Sword.
Nag-gear.
Ayan, Dory, another Dory. Wilderland Scrounger. And Dwarven Mauler.
Hindi
Uy,
one of those.
capabilities you
Yeah,
activate. Yeah, this
Ano
one's
lang
good.
isa?
Then only one to cast. And maganda
Uy,
to.
key
This
to
one is
key to the side door. Eh.
this one is good. Target creature can block this turn.
I need that.
Yeah, unities. Uy, another rare. Oh, si Bilbo. Bilbo, tip of the night.
Di ba mythic yun?
Mythic ba yun? Sorry, mythic pala yun. Riddles in the dark. Okay, look at top 4 cards.
Nasa likod.
Uy, rare foil.
Sige.
Rare foil, what's this? Uy, my precious.
May precious? Ay, hindi ko na need maghanap. Meron na ako.
Ay, hindi pala may
Ay,
precious.
sad.
Ay,
Glamdring.
Glamdring. Pero at least foil.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
And we have Goblin Town.
Wait lang, ba't tayo hindi off focus?
And we have Treasure Token. At least, maganda-ganda naman yung yung Glamdring. Kasi magkano din? 200 plus din yun eh. Hindi, foil. Mas pataas pa.
Foil eh. Pero parang nga.
6 pack. Paganda na paganda.
Makikipag-trade ka ako sa Ita-trade ko yan sa regular print na Glamdring.
Adi, trade mo na yung sa akin.
Foil.
Trade mo na yung sa akin.
Budget for
Binantol ako.
budget. Tingnan natin. Sige, tingnan natin. After the video.
Front Porch Sentries. Warren ulit. At least staple naman yan sa green. Stony. Voice Goblins. Velveting Butterflies. Gandabad Opportunities. Lakeshore Apothecary. Moment of Glory. Para siyang practiced offense, pero maganda sa kanya, one to cast.
One to cast lang.
Pero yun nga lang, wala siya ng double strike at lifelink. So, pwede na rin.
Kaso. Di ba nang
I think I need one of those.
Trade.
Night Owl Pursuers, Lake Town Mariners. Uy, another full art.
Ang hirap ng draft chop na ganyan.
Another full art. Mythic. Common. Okay, ito rin. Oh, at least
May story na ako na ganyan pero
okay.
it's good to have.
Uy, another alternate. Ang ganda, Iron Hills Blacksmith. Maganda to kasi artificer, oh.
Oh, wait lang. Weird. Focus.
Yan. Another rare.
Ano yan? What is this?
Oh, Sackville
Sackville.
Roggers. Okay. And Iron Hills Blacksmith na foil. And
Uy, wala.
full art plan.
Parang wala na sila mga plants.
Ah, oo nga. Nandun na yun sa LOTR na
Yun eh.
ano.
Kasi magkano ngayon ng LLD ba? Ayun.
We're down to our
S3.
last 3 blocks.
For the 9.
Both side wonders.
Well worn. Oy.
Well-worn spatula. Front porch sentries again. Thunder the troll shows. Velvet wing butterflies again. Ganda blood opportunist. Take sure apothecary again. Take sure valley. Gnashing of teeth. We have Bomber, Gentle Dreamer. We have another. Oh, Tourist map. Ayos to, ayos to.
Oh, good yan.
Good to. Kasi ano eh, search for library basic lang.
Okay.
Another rare, what is
Uy.
this? Ah, parang
Tranduil.
siya sa Tranduil. Ay, hindi.
Hindi.
Clipboard.
Clipboard.
Ano,
That's cute.
Wolf.
Cool.
What's this? Oh, yeah, rare foil.
Yan.
What's this? Ah, 05. Okay. Ah, desert worm na ano, na foil. Okay. Pwede mo na ibenta yung isang non-foil na ganito.
Eh, nilibenta ko.
Okay. Uy, foil na Goblin Town. And,
Hindi ako mag-keep ng foil talaga usually.
nagano kasi ikaw. Di, ibenta mo yung foil.
Yan. Non-foil lang keep ko. May mga ano naman eh, may mga cards naman na maka-foil or non-foil. Hindi ka rin. Last, cards na
Last two, last two packs.
Last two na?
Long-bodied Cradle. Oh, auto trap. Goblin Plate Mail again. Bilbo Baggins Burglar. Iron Hills Stalwart. Uy, si Gandalf.
Ganda.
Magnificent End again. Rage into the Valley. Gollum Abandoned. Snow
Slope
Hunter. Oh, go for Reliable Guardian.
Oh.
Ay, maganda to. Target Artifact Culture, Control Wings, Expert, and Destructible. Uy, tas 1 to kas lang. Maganda to, this one's good. Another
Hindi ko alam
rare.
kung ilalagay ko kay Zuko o kay...
Uy, what's this?
What's that?
Bejeweled Ward. Okay.
Oh, that. Warg.
And Plunder Troshals na... And we have, uy,
Wala ka din.
Polar Forest and the Treasure Token.
Pwede na. Goods na rin.
Yan, nandito na ang ating
Not
bag. Crude Bent Blade. Long-bodied Trade Wolf. Trade Dog pala. After Cup. Ay. Goblin Plate Mail. Enchanted River. Grasp. Another Dwarven Short Sword. Another Dory Bearer of Hands. Uy, Thorin's Last Stand.
oh, kaya pa.
Pwede din. Gnashing of Teeth again.
Puro staples na.
Raven Hill Flag. Return to Maker. Uy, what's this? Cancerous Keepers.
Cancerous
Okay.
Hmm.
And Bow-Side Wanderers. Foil.
Elmo.
And the Polar Plant.
Oh well. That's it. Next three.
Next three. Tuloy na natin ito din.
Dito wala na. Ano?
Yeah.
There you go.
Pag may need ka dito, trade na lang.
Sige. Wala pa lang. Yung precious na pala yun.
Oo, ayan. Goblin Plate Mail, Guardian of the Halls, Reverend Hall, Uneasy Plottings, Esgaroth Garrison, Rage Short Spear.
Bagit.
Rugged pala.
Long leg.
Long Lake Nuisance, Troll Negotiations. Fights. Uy, ganda ng starter.
Uy! Spark starter? Dang.
Another Thorin Oak Shield. Token Shield. Rare Desolation.
Uy!
Desolation.
Ganda.
Smoke. And...
Tibay.
Uy! Dancing of
Ay!
Dark Dawn.
Pambihira. Sana all.
Dancing of Dark Dawn.
Bisita pala tayo.
Tita! Gusto po. Yes. Ako naman po. I have this Dancing of the Dark Dawn. Ward Tactics.
Sana all.
And
diba?
Iron Hills.
Sana all. Diba? Parang yan.
Dancing of the Dark Dawn. Meron ba?
Dancing from dusk till dawn. Pwede kita rin dyan.
Tingnan natin mamaya. Yun ang isang bagay.
Hindi, mas maganda na isip yun. Ito ba yun? Ang ano yan, bear support yun.
Oo. Habit hole.
Ayan, ang sure na ito.
Sige, may habit hole naman ako eh. Labyrinth hole. Or tactics again.
Stir up.
Uy, 1 to cast pero destroy target another low cost low cost removal.
Yeah. Trade dyan, trade ko rin. Kailangan ko yun.
Grab short spear. Long Lake Nuisance. Ori Keeper of Songs. Beyond Hospitality. Masters Counselors. Graben Matok.
Yeah. That's good.
Another rare. Bilbo's
Uy!
Gambit.
Staple.
Staple.
Sarap. Sarap man. Wait lang, anong oras na ba?
Graben Matok. And the forest. Oops. Can't seem to
Put that in. Oh no.
okay.
Pero
And
adventure na token. Pero pa ba extra?
ano yun?
Yung ano na adventure na token. Ito yun.
Tatitingnan ko, hindi ko maalala eh. Bjorn Reluctant Host. Giant's Boulder. Uy, 1 hour. Uy, still up trouble. At least ayun na yung isa. Thunder the Trochos. Another Velvet Butterflies. Gandabad Opportunist. Leisure Pottery. Beyond's Hospitality. Nakaro.
Cute.
Pang ano eh, pang anti-dragon yan. And Bane, Lord of the Iron Hills. Another rare. Si Bilbo. Hindi pala.
Ray
Ito Ray.
Cute yun.
Picture, okay. And, another meat.
Uy! Sana all, diba?
Uy! Shit.
Orchis! Kailan ko lahat ng meat?
Mapunta
Pambihira.
meat.
Hindi naman.
Hindi, sa'yo na isang mythic.
Sige.
Yes.
Yay.
I will give you the green mythic.
Yes. Yay.
Dahil nakapul naman tayo ng Orchis.
Nice.
Isang rare, tapos isang mythic sa isang prop.
Oh my God.
Uy!
Uy!
Into the city. Into the side door. Iron Hills.
Key to the back shots pala yun eh. Ayan.
Okay.
Ano? Grabe naman yung pulse mo, boy.
What the hell? And we're down to
sige, down to collector na pala.
collector.
Alam mo, bukas ba yung isa?
Yeah, it's
Bukas na lahat.
open.
Sige, sige.
It's open.
Check na lang natin later. Post-mortem mamaya. Oh my God. I-sleeve mo na kaya yung ano?
Mamaya.
Mamaya siguro no. Ano kaya ang...
Oh, this is it.
Sige, sige,
Collector booster pack.
sige.
Una-una,
Iron Hill.
Iron Hill, Star Wars foil. Uy, look at that.
Aroy, error print.
Look at that.
Nako! Diyos mío,
What the hell,
disgrasya.
Can you see that? That is the crimping. The crimping of
Disgrasya, bye.
this.
Oh my God.
The hell, man? What's his quality control? What the hell you doing, man? We have confiscate the border.
Ipover.
We have... Uy, may ano pa rin siya. May counting crimp again.
Nako.
Yan, you can see that.
Nako,
little-
si ano na.
Stir up the trouble foil.
Parang gusto kong gamitin yung crimp pang laro. For fun.
Rugged short spear foil. Little bear foil. Bard Bowman foil. Woodland Weave Master foil.
Ang natatago ay
Celebrate the Mountain King. Go for reliable guardian. Ay, Surge foil. Sayang.
Sayang.
Oo nga, Surge foil.
Foil. Damn. Siguro nasa 100. 50.
Mountain. Nandito na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa ano.
Katotohanan.
Yeah.
Sige.
Rare. Nasak
Sakit.
din provinces.
Apa? May last?
Rare ulit. Last night of Durin's Day. And we have Bilbo fellow conspirator.
Ano ba?
And the last light of Durin. Uy! Uy! Shit!
Uy, shit!
Oh shit!
Oh,
Oh shit! What?
Sige.
Shit!
Tingnan
Para nakita natin yun.
tingnan natin. Ano yun?
Mythic.
Mythic. 84.
Shit!
Oh, shit! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Aldo!
Oh my
Pwede ba natin
shit!
display sa shop yan? Oh my God!
Oh my shit!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Shit!
Worth! Holy shit! Woo! Best pull!
Best pull! We got the
2026.
one ring!
Best pull 2026! Automatic!
Uy! Sayang foil. Uy!
Hindi,
Shit!
Surge!
Surge foil!
Surge foil! Shit! Jesus Christ!
Jesus, man!
Jesus Christ!
You can see that, man? It's surge foil!
Boy, shit! I-slip mo na! Shit! Punche! Tingnan mo kung may marks. Tingnan mo kung may error mark. Ah, shit! Boy, pag-grade na natin yan.
Shit.
Na natin yan. Di na pwedeng hindi. Boy,
Look at that! It's surge foil!
surge foil. Oh my
Oh, shit.
God. Oh my God.
Woo!
Post tambayan.
Nangangatal ako, guys. I'm literally
Best
shaking
pull. Best
for this
pull
surge
of
foil.
2026.
the one ring.
Holy
Oh shit!
Boy, slip mo na. Nakakakaba.
Woo.
Grabe naman, boy. May pinapawisan ako.
Shit!
Oh my God.
Hindi ako
Boy, akin na lang din
makapaniwala.
yung orkest. Boy, yun naman dyan eh.
Tingnan natin, let's see.
Boy, search foil yan.
Oo nga, sa bagay.
Kahit anong itapat mo dyan, hindi yan tatalo.
You can see I'm literally shaking my hands as I put
Side mo na lang. Huwag mong i-impress yung daliri mo.
I can't.
Nanginginig-nginig
Yes.
pa. What the fuck is this? Oh shit! No, don't bend, baby girl. Don't bend, baby girl. Oh my god.
Sobrang higpit.
Yeah. Hindi, kasi fit naman siya.
Ayun nga, kaya nga eh. Shit.
Alam ko
no.
napadaan ka lang dito eh.
Oh no!
Oh
It's
my
Sir
God.
Boyd!
Oh my god.
Damn!
God damn. Son. Bebenta mo ba? Siyempre hindi.
Hindi.
Anyway, syempre
Tingnan natin
hindi.
kung
Wag
magkano
agad.
yun.
Or even then, parang manghinayang ka na lang kung ibibenta mo ba.
Shit.
Jesus
Akala ko foil lang eh.
Hindi. Alam mo yung excited ako dun sa Orchist? Alam mo, excited ako dun sa Orchist eh. Pero, gano. Magkano Surge?
Shit!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Hindi, alam ko 30, pero hindi ko alam na 34.
Oh my shit.
My God!
God, man.
Oh my God!
Picture natin.
That is insane, bro.
That's this. Guys, man. Oops.
Uy! Wait, hindi pwedeng ganyan yan. May TL ako dito. Dapat ini-TL yan. Ano yan? TL natin yan. Guys. Pasintabi po sa mga manonood. Wala po kaming ganun para sa value. Well, meron naman, pero tapos. So, nilagay namin sa hard sleeve and unused na TL na nakatabi sa bahay. Dude, it's shiny. It's shiny. I-end naman natin yung video. Guys, i-end na namin yung video.
We're gonna end the video,
End na
man.
namin yung video. Tapos pa namin ito sa tambayan mamaya.
Yeah.
So,
Whew. What the hell, man?
Jesus Christ.
Bibigay ko na sa'yo yung orchis.
Siyempre. Hindi ko na agawin yun sa'yo.
Hindi.
Jesus. Oh my God.
Anong pangalan nun?
Orchris.
Right to that.
Holy crap. What is happening tonight?
Anong spelling?
Orchris. Kaya ka pala excited magbunot. Grabe.
1K din.
Oo,
Sige,
di
bigay ko
na
na sa inyo.
Hindi na masama.
Pero totoo talaga.
Anyway, guys, yung mga ganyang deliberation ay gagawin na lang namin on post. Paldo is a brand of Korean noodles. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
See you next time.
Thank you. See you next time.
Ay, sabi ko next.